Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Mauricio Aizawa, and let me ask you, do you attend many meetings throughout the day? How is it when you need to find any particular information from a past meeting? Let's say you want a presentation that you did the past year or some actions that you took in some meetings before. How is it? You need to find out in your email or you go to your WhatsApp to find any kind of file that was shared with you. So let me show you how you can do this here using Evernote. Evernote is an awesome app because you can centralize all informations in regards to notes, in regards to audio, in regards to files. So you can keep, for example, all your meeting notes into a single place. And if you need to find any kind of information, it's just a matter to make a search and find that particular information. I'm going to show you in this video how you can be productive using Evernote for meeting notes. So let me start showing in my screen here one particular meeting note. You can structure in your meeting notes. For example, I have this for this particular meeting. I have the attendees, the meeting notice details. I can put the agenda like inside of table to plan this meeting ahead. So for example, we are going to discuss the proposal, just have a discussion about the proposal during 30 minutes. I'm going to be the responsible. We are going to plan the technical, discuss the technical specification. 1 hour. Carlos is going to cover this aspect, and we can add also all the discussion. We can ask permission to record the session. So through the computer or through your mobile phone, you can just start recording. So you can click here and you can start recording the entire meeting. This definitely is going to help you if you need to recap any information that you discussed, and also you can have all the evidence about the details, the actions, and also the decisions. So you can stop the audio. Audio is going to be here. So you have the audio, you have the notes, you have all the details about this particular meeting. You can define the action plan right below. What are decisions? Who is going to do what? So you can put here. Additionally, you can add the attachments. Let's say you have the presentation. In this case, I have the project estimation as well, the technical specification. So all the documentations you can combine into a single place. This is going to help you so much if you need to bring this data later. Okay, so how do you segment, how do you organize inside of Evernote this type of information? You can just start typing the information, and what I recommend is you have two structures. You have the notebooks, is where you can segment your information, your notes, and you have the tags. I really like to use the tags because it's really flexible. You can add many tags to a single note. So I like, for example, I'm adding the year. So if I need to bring notes from one specific year, it's really easy to find out. And also I'm classifying, for example, the company, the project, okay, that is related to this meeting notes, and also one tag for meeting notes. Why I'm adding this tag? Because it's pretty simple to make a search. Let me show you an example. Let's say I'm here. I want to bring, for example, you see here, I have 19,000 notes in my Evernote. There are things about my personal life, my professional life. All the information is just centralized in one single place. And let's say I'm here and, for example, I need all the meeting notes that I have stored in my Evernote. So I just type here on the search meeting notes. It's going to bring many suggestions about what I want to bring. And I have the tags. You see here, 129 meeting notes stored. So when I click here, it's going to bring immediately all meeting notes that I have stored from different projects, from different situations. Okay. If I click here, for example, it just bring 129. I can see all. I can click in one of them and see more information. And let's say I want to bring from a particular project, for example, the Honda project. I can just click in this particular tag, and I'm doing a complementary search. Meeting notes plus some additional tag. In this case, I can select any of those projects. I can go and select, let's say, Honda. I'm going to select Honda now. It's just filter for 16 meeting notes. This means that from the number of meeting notes, I just filtered those meetings from Honda. And if I click in any one of those, for example, I can see the emails, I can see audio, definitions, other informations, contracts, some drafts, everything that is related to that meeting I can bring immediately. You see how fast it is? In less than 10 seconds I can bring data, I can search in my history, and I can just find out what I have here storage. I don't need to go to my mail, I don't need to go to my Google Drive or folders in Windows, any other place. I can have everything centralized here. All right, let me show you how you can create a meeting notes very fast. It's just a matter to go to new note, and it's going to create a new note. You can just start typing here, for example, a particular day. Let's say I'm going to this month and this day. I'm meeting notes project A. Okay, I just add this for this project. I can go to templates and take a available template. For example, for meetings, when I type meeting, I have these templates provided by Evernote, so they are really useful. If I click in this meeting notes template, it's going to bring all the data. You see here, you can start adding the information about the project, let's say project A, and you can start, you can add the date, the goal, the attendees, who attended that meeting, all the tasks, what is going to be discussed, okay, the decisions, etc., and the closure. Okay, you can also add some attachments. Let's say you go here at the end, you can add a new section. You go to this little clip information, and you can just select, for example, any data that you want. Let's say I want those particular information, and you just add. Okay, it's going to paste here immediately in the notes. Okay, what else you can add? Let's say you are in that, you start the meeting, you can just add in tasks here. For example, task 1 is going to be responsible Mauricio, and you can make some like tracking about all the decisions of that previous meeting notes. Okay, you can also, let's say when you start the discussion, when you start your meeting, you can basically go to record and recording the entire meeting. You can record the entire section in just one audio, or if you prefer, you can break down in different audios. Let's say some of the attendees are speaking, you can just record that particular speaking. When it finish, just close, and you have here, for example, participant 1 audio. You can segment, you can segregate each one of the audio, so you are going to combine everything into a single place. Okay, so what else you can do here? You can add, for example, as I said, meeting notes. You can add a tag like 2020, and you can add the project A. For example, if you start typing project, as you can see here, I have many projects available that are my tags. But if I have a new one, you can just type like project A, and that's it. And you hit enter, that's it. You just create a new tag that will allow you to segment whatever you want. Okay, and here I'm going to move to a particular notebook, for example, projects, just to keep in that notebook. Okay, done. So I finished my meeting notes. Now I have this in my records. Anytime that I need to bring all the meeting notes, I can bring, for example, for project A. If I do this, I'm going to find now the tag for project A, and I just select the project A. That's it. I have my meeting notes here ready for this. If I want to share with the colleagues, just go to the share, and you are able to share. For example, if they use Evernote, just type the name, just type the email here, and that's it. Or if you want to share in a public link, you can just click here, it activate this. It's going to create a public link, so just copy this link and go to your browser, open it, and you can send by mail through WhatsApp, and all the details, including the audio, the files, everything is going to be available for them. Okay, so this is a really useful ways. I hope you enjoy. I hope you start using it, because it's really powerful. You are going to realize this when you see all the history that you have in your control, and if you need to bring any data, you have immediately all access through it. Okay, you can also use, for example, your mobile phone. Just open your Evernote here. When you open, all your data is going to be synced. Okay, so I just created this meeting note, So all the data is here. I can recap any decision, anything that was discussed, all the details, the attachments, everything that I put in this meeting note will be available on mobile. So no matter what decision you took, all the notes, everything is available right in your mobile phone. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked, just give us a like, subscribe to our channel if you are not. We are going to start publishing more videos about personal productivity and also business productivity. I hope you enjoy this. Leave a comment if you want, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.